Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you how to naturally lose weight fast. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin. While there are endless diets, supplements, and meal replacement plans claiming to ensure rapid weight loss, most lack any scientific evidence. However, some strategies backed by science that do have an impact on weight management. These strategies include exercising, keeping track of calorie intake, intermittent fasting, and reducing the number of carbohydrates in the diet. In this video, we consider 9 effective methods of weight loss. Methods of weight loss that scientific research supports include the following. 1. Trying intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating that involves regular short-term fasts, and consuming meals within a shorter time period during the day. The most common intermittent fasting methods include the following. Alternate day fasting (ADF). Fast every other day and eat normally on non-fasting days. The modified version involves eating just 25 to 30% of the body's energy needs on fasting days. The 5-2 diet. Fast on 2 out of every 7 days. On fasting days eat 500 to 600 calories. The 16/8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat only during an 8-hour window. 2. Tracking your diet and exercise. If someone wants to lose weight, they should be aware of everything that they eat and drink each day. The most effective way to do this is to log every item that they consume in either a journal or an online food tracker. One study found that consistent tracking of physical activity helped with weight loss. Meanwhile, a review study found a positive correlation between weight loss and the frequency of monitoring food intake and exercise. Even a device as simple as a pedometer can be a useful weight loss tool. 3. Eating mindfully. Mindful eating is a practice where people pay attention to how and where they eat food. This practice can enable people to enjoy the food they eat and maintain a healthy weight. Techniques for mindful eating include sitting down to eat, preferably at a table. Pay attention to the food and enjoy the experience. Avoiding distractions while eating. Do not turn on the TV, or a laptop or phone. Eating slowly. Take time to chew and savor the food. This technique helps with weight loss, as it gives a person's brain enough time to recognize the signals that they are full, which can help to prevent overeating. Making considered food choices. Choose foods that are full of nourishing nutrients, and those that will satisfy for hours rather than minutes. 4. Eating protein for breakfast. Protein can regulate appetite hormones to help people feel full. This is mostly due to a decrease in the hunger hormone ghrelin, and a rise in the satiety hormones peptide YY, GLP-1, and cholecystokinin. Research on young adults has also demonstrated that the hormonal effects of eating a high-protein breakfast can last for several hours. Good choices for a high-protein breakfast include eggs, oats, nuts, seed butters, quinoa porridge, sardines, and chia seed pudding. 5. Cutting back on sugar and refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are heavily processed foods that no longer contain fiber and other nutrients. These include white rice, bread, and pasta. These foods are quick to digest, and they convert to glucose rapidly. Excess glucose enters the blood and provokes the hormone insulin, which promotes fat storage in the adipose tissue. This contributes to weight gain. 6. Eating plenty of fiber. Dietary fiber describes plant-based carbohydrates that it is not possible to digest in the small intestine, unlike sugar and starch. Including plenty of fiber in the diet can increase the feeling of fullness, potentially leading to weight loss. 7. Balancing gut bacteria. One emerging area of research is focusing on the role of bacteria in the gut on weight management. Some foods can increase the number of good bacteria in the gut, including a wide variety of plants. Increasing the number of fruits, vegetables, and grains in the diet will result in an increased fiber uptake, and a more diverse set of gut bacteria. Fermented foods. These enhance the function of good bacteria while inhibiting the growth of bad bacteria. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, tempeh, and miso all contain good amounts of probiotics, which help to increase good bacteria. 8. Getting a good night's sleep. Numerous studies have shown that getting less than 5 to 6 hours of sleep per night is associated with increased incidence of obesity. There are several reasons behind this. Research suggests that insufficient or poor quality sleep slows down the process in which the body converts If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the information in this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.